Hi, welcome to the TILA project. In this video, we're going to show you how you register a group of students on our database. The first thing that you need to do is to go to our website, www.tilaproject.eu, and log in with your username and password. If you don't have an account, please check our video how to create a TILA account. So enter your details here. And this will take you to the home screen. On the left side of your screen, you should be able to see a navigation menu, and one of those options is courses. Click on that. Your list would probably be empty. In my case, I'm getting a few options. And what I need is TILA Teacher Networking. So click on that. You will not have access at this stage to this course, so you need to request the access. If you scroll down, you will see the enrollment key option, which is in lowercase TILA Networking. So once you enter that and click on Enroll Me, you will be enrolled in the course. So here you have access to lots of information about how to plan tasks, how to use different tools that are integrated in TILA. But what we're going to focus on at the moment is the TILA Partner Finding tool, which you will find here on the second block. So click on there and access the tool. So in this page, you will register your details of your group of students that you want to work with. And this happens in this tab here, Register. First of all, you enter your details. So your first name, your last name, your email address, so that other teachers can contact you, the school where you work, the country, your native language, and the languages that you teach. In the second block, you're requested to enter information about the group of students that you are going to work with, your students. So imagine that you have a group of 14-year-olds, but some of them are 14, some of them are 15, so that's what you enter in the age minimum, maximum. Their native language, let's say it's English, and the target language, the language that they want to practice is, let's say, Spanish. They are at a B1 level. Imagine you would choose the appropriate level according to the European Framework for Reference. B1, some of them are B2, so that's the window that you can work with. And in the next bit, you are asked about your preferences for telecollaboration. Do you prefer lingua franca or tandem? What is the difference between those two options? Lingua franca is when students work with each other, practicing a language that is foreign to all of them. So imagine that you have a group of Spanish students and French students who want to practice English. So that is lingua franca. They are all speaking English as a lingua franca. Whereas the tandem approach would be if, let's say, you have a group of Spanish students that want to practice English, and they work with a group of English students that they want to practice Spanish. So half of the time would be devoted to one of those two foreign languages. And at all times there would be a native speaker of that language taking part in the collaboration. The telecollaboration preferences refers to the type of work that you would like your students to do, synchronous or asynchronous, that is, in real time or not in real time, spoken or written. So this is, for example, video conference. An example of this would be written chat. Asynchronous spoken would be, for example, a voice thread. And asynchronous written would be a forum or a blog, etc. If you're open to all options, we recommend that you tick all of them so that there are more options when you are searching for partners. The implementation during class time or outside class as homework. The next block asks you for information regarding your yearly schedule and also your weekly classes. So in this first bit, you would tick all the months that you think can be active for telecollaboration. So let's say that your students usually have exams in May. In that case, you would not tick May as an active month. And in the weekly time slots, you would just give a rough indication on when you have classes with those students. You see that they are 2-hour slots. You will be able to specify the class times here in the time slot notes. And please bear in mind that all those times have to be in Central European time, just so that everybody is working with the same time frame. You can also specify in this comments box how many students you have in a group, whether you can split them in two or not, etc. And when you're finished, you would click on register now. And that is you. Your students would be registered in our TILA website. The next stage would be to search for partners, but we will cover this in the next video. Thank you.